Question number 6. Prove that. Second example. Cos square theta bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now this is equal to sign. This is LHS. This is RHS. Now first we take this LHS. See this? LHS is equal to cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. This is our LHS. Now, therefore, we write here LHS is equal to this cos square, formula for cos theta or cos A, but here cos theta, formula for cos theta, that is 1 upon sec theta for cos theta. For cos theta, formula 1 upon sec theta, but here square, so we write here square. Did you understand this? 1 upon sec square theta into formula for 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta, I have given different formulae and identities. Different formula and identities. 1 plus tan square theta means sec square theta. Formula for 1 plus tan square theta. Now this sec square theta cancelled. Therefore, LHS is equal to, what is left? 1. This is our RHS. Did you understand this example?